and we are going to sing to you the reading about Peter walking on the water. Our first piece is about Peter walking on the water as found in the Gospel of Matthew. When he proclaims to the crowd, God has made this Jesus both Lord